Hello. Once again, we want to demonstrate a application that was created with Filemaker. This is an online research automation tool that was created for a specific project. And let's dive right in and show you how it works. This is a login screen, as you can see. Your user enters his username and password. Hopefully, I got it right. And as you can see, I arrive at a dashboard. You notice here the chat is highlighted in green. That indicates that I have a new unread chat message. We'll get to that in a minute. Here you have the individuals that are listed are individuals that are being researched to write biographies on these individuals. There are notable Puerto Ricans, and as you can see, there are 39 bios in my account. And if I look at all the bios, the total is 70. But in my case, it's just the 39. Now, to create a new bio, you simply hit New Bio, and you enter someone's name that you want to research. In this case, let's do someone who's not from Puerto Rico, James Arness. You may not be familiar with him, but he's someone I grew up on, or grew up with, I would say. He's a famous American actor. He played the role of Marshal Matt Dillon for 21 years on the CBS network. So let's say we like this reference here. We hit show URL, and then we hit return. And now we can paste that URL here. And then if we want to go back to that reference, just simply click here and it takes you right there. And let's pull some information from this. This is his date of birth. Right click, copy, return, drop that right here. Right click, paste, go back. This is his date of death. Right click, copy, return, date died, paste. What about his birthplace? Let's see what we can come up with there. Early life. Let's see. He was born in Minneapolis. All right, so you know what? We'll copy that too. Return. Birthplace, Minneapolis. Paste. And his title. Okay, let's see. What is he? He is an American actor. We'll copy that as well too. Copy, return, paste. So you see, just in a few mouse clicks, we were able to fill in some basic information on this individual. And now to add some information that could be used in the biography, we'll go back to the site. And let's see what we can glean from this. All right, well, let's take this information right here. Highlight it. Right click, copy, return, drop it right in here, paste. Okay, so already now we have some useful information that we can begin to use as a reference in writing a biography about this individual. Now, this application, once again, was specifically designed for use in researching biographies of famous individuals. But you're not limited to just biographies. These could be industries, these can be products, uh, almost anything that you would need to research online. This could be adapted for that purpose. And since this is a collaboration tool. You're able to share this information with other individuals that you're working with. Now let's go back to this function here, which is photos. Okay, now how does that work? Okay, we'll go back to the profile. Okay, here goes a photo. Let's see if we can copy that. Right click, copy image, hit return, go into photo, right click, paste. Now, if let's say you downloaded a photo onto your hard drive and you wanted to include it in this record, you could right click and click insert picture. And now you can browse your hard drive for a folder where you have the photo stored. You can see these are all the supported extensions for graphic images, and you would click on that image, hit open, and it would drop it in here. And you can include some notes about that photo, copyright information, things of that sort. Okay, so let's go back to the profile section. Now, there are contributors. Here's a list of some contributors that are working on this project. As you can see, my name is highlighted because I'm in my account. And these are some of the other contributors as well. Now, we talked about the chat function earlier. As we indicated, there's an open chat message. And you can see it hasn't been read because this is not highlighted. But I'll reply. Let's reply to that message. Okay. Checked app functionality. App seems to be working fine. And I hit send. And now that text message has been sent to Oscar. Now let's go back to this chat here. Now if I click the read function here, when I log back in, assuming this is the only unread chat, this chat will not be highlighted any further on the main screen. All right, so let's log out and see if Oscar got that chat message. And as you can see, his chat indicator here or icon has been highlighted in green. We'll click on it. Message checked app functionality. And it seems to be working fine. Okay. And as you can see, it's already highlighted because he clicked on the message here. And now if he wishes to reply, he can reply back. All right. Now there's also a web browser. If you wish to do a manual search, you can do that here as well. And also too, if you want to add additional research to this account, this record, just simply click here and it'll take you to a Google search window where there are a variety of results. If you see something you like, okay, let's take a look at this. TV commercials that she's done. Okay, this doesn't look useful at all. We'll go back again. Okay, let's try IMDb. Okay, this looks like an interesting photo. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see if we can copy that. No, we cannot. We could do a web capture, but we won't do that. But we'll close this for now. All right, let's say you like some of the text in her bio. You could highlight, as you saw earlier, you could highlight some text here, right click, copy, return, go back into the bio. And you can paste it right in. Now you can also do a search here for an individual in the list, someone you may be trying to locate. Let's see, let's try someone with the name Tito. And as you can see, we have Tito Puente, Tito Rodriguez, and all the search results. You'll notice too, as you type, the results appear according to what you type in the search panel here. And we can clear that. You can also do a search in the bio as well too. Let's look at let's say Spielberg. And it highlights Spielberg right there. So this is useful in editing your bio contents to pull out any information that you don't want or correct for that matter. So this gives you an overview of the basic functionality of this app. Uh, Obviously, the functionality can be greatly expanded to include other functions, but for the purposes of this project, this was adequate. This was more than enough to accomplish what we were looking to do. But once again, FileMaker is flexible enough to be expanded. There's a lot of additional features you could add. It's very easy to navigate and to use. Just to give you a quick idea of the back end, this shows you the back end of the app. And it gives you some idea of the tool set that you're working with to build your apps. I won't go into any explanation, but this gives you an idea that this is all drag and drop. You have a wealth of tools to work with to create your app, your UI, the database, and more. So this was a brief glimpse into FileMaker. I hope you enjoyed it. And have a great day.